Gospode Bože, slavu i čašću venčavaj. Gospode Bože, naš slavu i čašću venčavaj. Gospode Bože, naš slavu i čašću venčavaj.
Οι άνδρες αγαπάτε τας γυναίκας εαυτόν, καθώς και ο Χριστός ηγάπησε την Εκκλησίαν, και αυτόν παρελαπαουδίσχαρ, ποτέ την ευτού η σάρκα εμείς εις εναλεκτρέφει και θάλπει αυτήν, καθώς και εμείς η καθένα, έκαστος την εαυτού γυναίκα, ούτως αγαπά το φως εαυτόν. Είδα γυναίκα ή να φοβείται τον άντρα.
Svetoga Duha. Amin. Ne možemo. Ajde, Ana, u ime Otca i Sina i Svetoga Duha. Amin. Ako ne možeš, dodam ime. U ime Otca i Sina i Svetoga Duha. Amin. U ime Otca i Sina i Svetoga Duha. Amin. Jolu. Blagosloven kao Isak, razmnoži se kao Jakov, vodeći u miru, vršeći pravo zapovesti Božije.
Servants who by your providence have been joined together in the community of matrimony, bless their goings out and their comings in, grant them a life.
Ti je isto zagrli, izađeš u slike vesnike, da izađeš na krkanicu.
Method.
Don't blind anybody, just okay, very small. Costa, kad oni budu izlazni, Nicola, got a picture of him. Come on.
No, go on top of the roof.
We did everything till last night, like then we finished every single motor. So then she was fine after that.
Okay, here they come.
Watch your eyes!
Okay, everybody come in behind them.
Because this is how you got to get a lot closer.
You ready?
Come in front, let's go. Get the hair, get the hair.
Where you guys are taking pictures.
We're gonna be